In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import questions from Airtable seamlessly. Whether you're new to Airtable or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your Airtable project. If you're not already familiar, Airtable is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the functionality of a database, making it ideal for managing everything from to-do lists to complex projects. Once you're in your Airtable project, you'll want to focus on the Table tab. This is where all the magic happens. On this tab, look for a small plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new tables or importing existing data. It's usually located near the top of the interface, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking this icon will prompt you with options to either create a new table from scratch or import data from various sources. Now, let's move on to the actual importing process. When you click the plus icon, you'll be presented with several options for data sources. This is where you can choose the file or source you want to import from. Airtable supports a variety of formats, so whether your data is in a CSV file, Excel spreadsheet, or another compatible format, you should be able to import it without any issues. Select the appropriate source option and navigate to your file. Once you've selected your file, Airtable will guide you through the necessary steps to map the data correctly to your table fields. This might include aligning columns from your file with your table's fields, so take a moment to ensure everything lines up properly. As you follow these steps, keep in mind a few additional tips. Double-check the data types for each column to make sure they align with what you've planned in your Airtable. For instance, if you have a column for dates, ensure it's set to the date format in Airtable. This will help avoid any potential mishaps with data interpretation later on. Once you've completed the import, take a moment to review your new table. Check for any discrepancies or errors that might have occurred during the import process. It's always a good idea to do a quick quality check to ensure everything is as it should be. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import questions from Airtable. With these steps, you've not only added valuable data to your project, but also enhanced your workflow efficiency. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to explore more of Airtable's features to make the most of this robust tool. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!